Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by Advan channel. In today's video, we are going to see a multiple choice question from the chapter Atomic and Nuclear Physics. Atomic and Nuclear Physics. The question is, let R1 be the radius of the second stationary orbit and R2 be the radius of the fourth stationary orbit of an electron in Bohr's atom model. The ratio R1 by R2 is how much? Number 1, 0.25, 0.5, 2 and 4. So this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2022. How to solve this problem? According to Bohr's model, R of n, it means what? Radius of the nth orbit is equal to 0.529 into n square divided by z. So Z is the atomic number of the particular atom, n is the order of the orbit, and R is its radius. So now R1, radius of the second stationary orbit, it means what? Its n value is 2. R2, radius of the fourth stationary orbit, it means what? Its n value is 4. N is equal to 2, n is equal to 4. Okay, that's all. So R1 is equal to 0.529 into, instead of n square, you must put 2 square, second stationary orbit, by z. That will be equation 1. And R2 is equal to the very same thing, 0.529 into 4 square. Instead of 2 square, you are putting 4 square. Where it is 4 square, sir? It is the fourth stationary orbit divided by z. That will be equation 2. You are going to find the value of R1 by R2. So that means what? Equation 1 by 2 gives R1 by R2. What is R1? 0.529 into 2 square divided by z. By R2, you have to inverse the expression. That is z divided by 0.529 into 4 square. So z in the numerator, z in the denominator, they get cancelled. 0.529 is also in the numerator and the denominator. It will also get cancelled. So what remains last? 2 square by 4 square. What is 2 square? 4. What is 4 square? 16. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. It is equal to 4 by 16. That is 1 by 4. That is equal to 0.25. So the ratio R1 by R2 is 0.25. Option 1 is the right answer. Among the 4 options, option 1 is the right answer. Okay, that's all. So you will see more questions from this chapter, Atomic and Nuclear Physics, in the coming videos. Okay, till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.